couple of days ago, I decided to head out and make some street pictures. But the rain, oh the rain. And so the question always is, should I stay or should I go? We all know that sometimes the worst weather conditions can make for interesting photos. And when the intellect sets in, we think, oh, the dullness, the lack of so-called good light will be a total waste of time. It's sometimes better not to think too much or find reasons to stay put, stay cozy, and not step foot out of the house. There will always be some level of connection made out on the street. And isn't that the reason we should go? Find reasons to support that photographic craft you love so much and make connections with the world. Get out there and make pictures. You just never know. You just never know.
Listen, tell me, how do you feel today with this COVID thing? And you know, obviously now being 2021, we're a year in and we're starting to open up a bit, but it's been tough, right?
Yeah, it is tough. You have to learn to adapt. And as you did just a few moments ago, you touched elbows, which isn't what I'm used to. I'm a big handshaker. In my business, we always shake hands, either before a meeting, after a meeting. When you meet people, you shake hands. It was always like the custom, you know, it was like the introduction, you know, of good faith is what it was. And that's now gone. You can't do it. Not only is it unpredictable, we don't know how the world is going to change because of this pandemic. I don't think we're going to go back to usual. I don't think that's ever going to come back because even if we defeat this pandemic, the way of life is different. It's going to be different. People are going to be always more aware, more afraid, more cautious. More aware, more afraid, more cautious. More aware, more afraid, more cautious.
I'm optimistic. This is why I like to walk around on the streets and meet people and talk to people. And